Question number 45 from chapter 24 of H.C. Verma, Kinetic Theory of Gases. Two bulbs of equal volume are connected by a narrow tube and are filled with a gas at 0 degrees Celsius. Let's draw the diagram. So here you can see there are two bulbs of equal volume. Let's say both have volume V. Okay, both the bulbs have volume V. So initially they have pressure 0 degrees Celsius and initially temperature 0 degree and pressure 76 centimeter of mercury. So we can write down initial. Here temperature 0 degrees Celsius, here also temperature 0 degrees Celsius. Pressure is 76 centimeter of mercury. 76 centimeter means we can write down 1 atm. 1 atm. Then one of the bulbs is then placed in melting ice and the other is placed in a water bath maintained at 62 degrees Celsius. So finally we can say that this is maintained at 0 degrees Celsius only, but the other one is maintained at now 62 degrees Celsius. So what is the new pressure inside the bulb they are asking? The volume of the connecting tube is negligible. This tube has negligible volume. We have to assume that. What is the final pressure in the two cases? So let's say that the final pressure will be P. Okay. So we have to find the value of P now. Thing is important that pressure will be same on both the sides because both the bulbs are directly connected to each other. So pressure should remain same on both the sides. So now let's write down that initially number of moles in both the sides will be what? N equal to P. In fact, write down N. Okay, PV by RT. Okay, so both the sides have initially N number of moles. Okay, both the sides have initially N number of moles. Finally, what is happening? Finally, here we have N1. Okay, and in the second one, we have N2 moles. Okay, N1 over here. So here N1 and here we have N2 moles. Finally, then what we can write down? That N1 will be equal to new pressure P into V by RT. This is your initial pressure P naught over here, right? This is the initial pressure in this case, and this is the new pressure P. Temperature is 0, correct? On the left side bulb, so both have temperature T. Okay, but when talking about N2, so N2 will be equal to new pressure P into volume is same divided by R times new temperature T2. Now conserving number of moles, N1 plus N2 will be equal to 2N, right? So N1 is what? PV by RT plus N2 will be PV by RT2, that is equal to 2 times P naught V by RT. Okay, so now we just need to put the values in this equation and solve them. One more thing, volume will get cancelled out, so we remove the volume from the equation. Similarly, R will also get cancelled out. So when you simplify this further, P times T2 plus T by T2 into T will be equal to 2 P naught by T. So again, let's remove T from the equation. So P will be equal to 2 P naught T2 divided by T2 plus T. And the thing is that the temperature are mentioned in Kelvin. So 2 times P naught pressure will be 1 atm. So pressure I can write in atm, no problem. Okay, but temperature I need to write in Kelvin. So T2 is 62 degrees Celsius. So that will be 335 Kelvin divided by 335 plus initial temperature was 0 degrees Celsius. So we write down 273 Kelvin. So this will come out to be equal to 1.1 atm, or that will be equal to 83.75 centimeter of mercury. Okay, this is the final pressure P.